And that was the promise that everything that was stolen will be restored. And I just want to encourage you that whatever has been taken away from you, whether it's hopes, dreams, your identity, your happiness, your joy, that's coming back this year if you want it to and if you choose it. Because it happened for me. And this is restoration. Something about me feels so empty, full glass in my hand. Something about this bed beside me, with another half man. Something about me misses my father. I got a broken soul, but somewhere there's another voice calling everything I've never been told. When I thought the world had taken everything away, I was on my knees praying, covered in my shame. But your love and your grace, it was a gentle invitation. Yeah, your love and your grace. I found my restoration. Yes, I did. I found my restoration. Yes, I did. There's something about these 6 strings lately, it's got me so full of fear. Someone said I'm always failing, and why I can't stand here. There's something about my bleeding body, and the scars on my skin. It's a story of a new life waiting, and how it begins, yeah. When I thought the world had taken everything away, in a million pieces, but you paint my picture, only you complete this. I was broken in a million pieces, but you paint my picture, only you complete this. I was broken in a million pieces, but you paint my picture, only you complete this. All that was stolen will be restored. So I take that promise and I am restored. Yeah, your love and your grace was a gentle invitation. Yeah, your love and your grace. Yes, I did. I found my restoration. Yes, I did.